In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage your Reddit community's notifications. So if you have joined various communities and you'll wish to manage which community should send you notifications or turn them off, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To do this, log into a Reddit account and then head to your profile icon on top here. From here, head down to settings, and from settings you should see we have this notifications option. Under notifications, the first option is community notifications, and if you just click on it, you will see various communities that you are in and the current notification status. Currently, you can see notifications for these communities are turned off, and in case I want to turn on one of them, just click on any. For instance, I want to turn on notification for TechNook here. To do this, just click on it and now turn on here. As you can see, they are muted, and then choose the type of notifications. If you want all, you can just check on all, or if you want to turn them off, you can also choose off. Once you're done, now you can save your changes by just clicking on done here. Now you can see notifications, all notifications are on for this. You can also do the same for the others, but should you want to turn them off, you can click on it again and then just choose off and then save, and you can see the status will have changed. Once you are done, now click on done here to effect your current changes. So that's how you can manage your community notifications on Reddit. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.